Yeah, double animal style, bitch.
All right. We are leaving Vegas right now.
We out.
We out. Dean, your thoughts on Vegas and your night, your day?
Fantastic day. Very interesting. Giant adult playground full of weed, women, booze, slot machines that steal your money,
And yeah, and just
old people wasting their lives away.
So basically a lot of things just to give your money away and come out broke.
Exactly.
That's what Vegas is all about.
Yeah.
Hope you still had a good time.
Oh yeah, fantastic time. I love throwing my money away.
I know. As do I. We did save a little bit, I think. Maybe.
Yeah, I didn't spend everything I got out. So.
Yeah. It worked out. So we're gonna go to In-N-Out Burger for Dean, and then head back to Zion. All right, we're back with another episode. Nevada, 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 Arizona. This right here, they probably blew up a little bit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can tell when there's like these lines.
Yeah.
They just drill in and put dynamite and shit.
Yeah. Arizona, 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 Arizona. Oh, Utah. We have made it through Nevada and Utah. Oh, I'm sorry, Arizona, as you saw. And now we're gonna pick up
Stocking up for the week.
stopping up, getting a few supplies. I already got some at the place, but we'll get a little bit of some extra things. And Dean's excited to visit the Utah Walmart. Did you find it?
Yeah. I was wondering about baby powder.
Baking powder?
Baby powder.
Oh, baby powder.
For our bottles.
For our buttholes? Dean was very excited and did a great job throughout the Walmart.
Yes, I did.
He did so good. We got him some White Claws. And we got some other snacks.
Mostly frozen food.
Mostly frozen
Eric
food.
doesn't cook.
With the conditions I live in, it's hard to cook.
Eric lives in poverty.
I am white trash.
You get inside, use Zion.
We just went to the rental store to see how much everything is to rent for the Narrows, and found out it's gonna rain, so we're gonna delay.
Bags we can poop in.
Yeah, we found bags to poop in. I was very excited about that. I almost pooped myself just seeing that. But yeah, we're gonna figure out what days to do everything on now, and drive to the park and see all the sights.
Adventure awaits.
The adventure continues. Where are we, Dean?
We're at the entrance. We're about to go in.
Some sweet young mama with a face like a gent. I gotta do know she's a really good liar.
I'm gonna walk over. We are doing the Canyon Overlook hike right now. We're supposed to be going that way. Yep. Getting distracted by my GoPro. About to go see I've already seen that a few times, but Dean's gonna see it for the first time. I'm gonna break my ankles. It's more fun that way. Ooh, he's got the moves like Jagger. Yeah, it's okay. And here's they see the benches.
Oh yeah.
And here we go. Well, I guess I left my mic here.
Left it out there.
Oh, I didn't.
I got tennis.